and ain't forgetting. It's who I choose to be. That's right. So I'm laying down resentment.